Today we're gonna be playing some of the Arsenal. Yeah, that's all. Just Arsenal.
They are
Oh
stupid
my
to think
god,
they
oh my
will
fuck.
win.
Really instantly. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Get off! Oh shit! Oh my god, bruh. Like you're nuts. To be a weapon ever. Oh shit. Oh, where is this? I should not have wasted my ammo like that. This is sawn-off shotgun. Yes, get sucked into my hole. My aim is trash. Let's go. Oh shit. There's someone.
Wow, you blew his brains out. Nice.
Nice. Yes, let's go. Oh shit! Shit! Probably an auto shotgun.
Good shot. You got his head.
So this is what it is? This is what a Mag 7 is? Because I've seen this in a game before and I was not sure what this is. Is that a pump? Did I just use a pump? I've used this before, bruh. Yes, ascend through the heavens. Say. Yes. Let me get it. Again. So fun. Oh my god, what? Nice.
Hey, you got him. Excellent.
I'm just gonna not talk.
Good shot. You got his head.
What? Someone had the golden gun. Standard, bruh. The storm for teams of 4. Yes, no free for all.
Finish them quickly.
S- What the heck? Heck. Oh my god, bruh. They jumping me. They jumping. Ow! They have a
Wow, you blew his brains out. Nice.
British. Someone died there? My power! What the heck did I just turn into?
Hey, you got him. Excellent.
They raided our territory! Double barrel shotgun. Oh, heck nah. Critical hit a 7? I turned into a Sunday roast. You go up. Might. Why? Why? I need to die. Oh.
Nice headshot. Hey, you got him. Excellent.
Oh. I'll try now.
Let's go. Let's go.
I just turned into a Sunday roast.
Let's go. Thanks.
Just new weapons. I got shot out the back. Someone has the golden knife.
Unbelievable. You lost the level.
Kinda. I'm only gonna play these much. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, everyone. Is it over?